Hello and welcome to the tutorial class number 3 of Canva. In this video I will show you that how we can make a CV in a short period of time. Okay, so let's just go to the Canva, and after opening the Canva you just click on the right side, just scroll it to the right side, and here you can see the resume. Click on the resume. After it will show you the blanket also and a lot of template available here. So I will choose what I want. Here you can choose your own template, what you want. Okay, here I'm going to select this one. Okay, so here I will do some changes to make it my own CV. Everything you can change from here. Okay, suppose first of all I am going to change my picture from here, so I will click on the picture. You just click on the edit, and from here whatever you want you can edit your picture from here. Okay, you can also delete it and put your own picture. Now in the left side there is a name that who make a CV, so you just put their name. Like suppose I am going to edit the name and I'm going to put the Shahid Afridi. So I will click on the first one, the Shahid, and the next one will be Afridi, Shahid Khan Afridi. Okay, we're just going to Khan. Okay, so here is your what category, then what are you doing? So Shahid Khan is the famous cricketer. I will just put the Shahid Khan, the famous cricketer. Okay, after that a lot of detail you can also edit from here, like the description and the business, that what they are doing. So all the thing you can change from here, your contact number and your experience, your education. So all the things you can do add from here quickly, and you can make your own CV very easily, just in 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, like I'm going to give some description that I am the famous cricketer and play for Pakistan. Now I am retired, so I just play PSL for Quetta Gladiator team, because you know that Shahid Khan is now in the Quetta Gladiator team in Pakistan Super League 2022. That's why I just put in the description about him. So here I just change a little bit thing, and there is a marketing manager. So Shahid Khan has also a big business, Afridi Foundation. So he is also the manager of the Afridi Foundation. I will put the Afridi Foundation manager, and contact also. From here you can just put the contact number. Okay, so this is the thing you can change, and you can make your CV quickly, easily, and you can do anything. Okay, thanks.